Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious, healthy, and flavorful mushroom dish that you can easily make at home. Not only that, I will be listing the amazing health benefits of mushrooms while you watch how I put them together. We'll be using fresh mushrooms along with simple ingredients like onions, salt, seasoning, basil, spring onions, Scotch bonnet pepper for a little heat, fresh spinach, and cucumber slices for a beautiful garnish. This mushroom recipe is perfect as a side dish or even as a main dish for a light meal. Plus, it's packed with nutrients and super easy to prepare. So if you love mushrooms or want to try something new, stay tuned because this is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss a delicious recipe like this. Before we start cooking, let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need. Fresh mushrooms, about 300 grams. You can use button mushrooms or any type you prefer. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Salt, to taste. Seasoning cubes or powder. This adds extra flavor. Fresh basil leaves, about a handful, chopped. Spring onions, 4 to 5 stalks, chopped. Scotch bonnet pepper, 4 small peppers, finely chopped or adjusted to your heat preference. Fresh spinach, about 2 cups, washed and roughly chopped. Cucumber slices, for garnishing the dish at the end. We'll also use some cooking oil. Vegetable oil or olive oil works perfectly. The amazing health benefits of mushrooms. Let's talk about why mushrooms deserve a place in your diet. Mushrooms are a nutritional powerhouse. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, making them great for weight management. They're rich in antioxidants like selenium, which helps protect your cells from damage. A good source of vitamin D, especially when exposed to sunlight, supporting bone health and immunity. High in B vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, which help convert food into energy and maintain brain health. They provide dietary fiber, supporting digestion and a healthy gut. Contain important minerals like potassium, which helps control blood pressure. Some mushrooms even have compounds that may help boost the immune system. Onions and spring onions, packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and sulfur compounds that help fight inflammation and improve heart health. They add a natural sweetness and depth of flavor while also supporting your immune system. Basil, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Rich in vitamin K, which supports bone health. Adds a fresh, aromatic flavor that complements the earthiness of mushrooms perfectly. Scotch bonnet pepper contains capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Has anti-inflammatory and pain relief properties. Adds a spicy kick that wakes up your taste buds. Spinach, loaded with iron, essential for healthy blood. High in vitamins A, C, and K, supporting vision, immunity, and bone strength. Contains antioxidants that protect your cells. The fiber in spinach aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Cucumber, hydrating and refreshing. Contains antioxidants and vitamins that support skin health. Adds a cool crunch to balance the warm, spicy flavors of the dish. By combining these ingredients, you get a delicious meal that nourishes your body, supports your immune system, and delights your senses. Now, the sliced mushrooms has been added to the pan with vegetable oil. Stir gently and cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the mushrooms to release their moisture and begin to brown.
Whisk dreams inside the bowl, healthy bites that feed your soul. Tips so fresh they take control. Glory's kitchen on a roll. Glory food and pastries rise, baking wonders with clear skies. Healthy life, no compromise. Every flavor's a surprise. Samples poppin', oh so right. Cakes that shine with every bite. Lifestyle bright from day to night. Mix can't be beat. Glory food and pastries rise, baking wonders with clear skies. Healthy life, no compromise. Every flavor's a surprise. Tips that guide your daily plan, fit for every girl and man. Healthy food ain't just a trend, it's the vibe that'll never end. Whisk dreams inside the bowl, healthy bites that feed your soul. Tips so fresh they take control. Glory's kitchen on a roll. Glory food and pastries rise, baking wonders with clear skies. Healthy life, no compromise. Every flavor's a surprise. Samples poppin', oh so right. Cakes that shine with every bite. Lifestyle bright from day to night. Mix it up, keep goals in sight. Pastries golden, crispy, neat. Every step's a rhythmic beat.
Arrange fresh cucumber slices around the edge or on top for a fresh, cooling contrast. This simple garnish not only looks great, but balances the spicy and savory flavors beautifully. If you want extra flavor, add a splash of soy sauce or lemon juice after cooking. Serve with rice, yam, or bread for a complete meal. And there you have it, a healthy, tasty mushroom sauté that's easy to make and packed with flavor and nutrition. If you loved this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and comment below your favorite way to enjoy mushrooms. Subscribe and ring the bell for more healthy and delicious recipes just like this. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.